Friends, in this video, I want to cover for you how you can inquire about your case when your petition is taking too long and what tips we can share with you to resolve that. Okay, so stay all the way to the end for all the information. Friends, welcome to Green Card Guys TV. I'm your host, John Ting. I'm a practice immigration law in all 50 states of America and all across the world, helping you solve your immigration problem. Now, here we are. We wanted to share with you a common question is, what can you do when your petition is taking too long? Okay, so you can submit inquiry, especially if it's taking too long. It should be available to do that. And so what you want to do here is go to the USCIS website. I'm going to share it with you right now. How I got here at Case Status Online is I went to the main page, scroll down in the middle under Manage Your Case, click on Check Your Case Status. So you'll need the receipt notice, the receipt number that you can obtain and type it down from your petition, or I'm sorry, your receipt notice, okay? So usually starts with 3 letters and a bunch of numbers. So after you check that, then you can get an idea. To be honest, it's not always accurate. It's not going to tell you anything like, oh, it has moved along to the 5th step. We're 10 days from processing and completing your case. I wish it was detailed like that, but it's not, okay? It's very generic. At the minimum, it will say that they received your application or that they're processing your biometrics or your fingerprint fee was accepted or something like that. Very, very basic information. But I'm sharing this specifically because that's just not the only thing, okay? You want to go to tools. You have to submit an inquiry. People ask all the time. You really want to, I'm all about being efficient, and I want you to be the same because I've heard a lot of people try to inquire about the case and they just get the runaround, okay? Don't waste your time calling in to USCIS. First do this, okay? Check the case processing time. And I say don't call into USCIS because you can do everything online, okay? So check the case processing time. Let's say you have a petition, okay, and it's at the California Service Center. And the way you can find out is look at the bottom left corner of your receipt notice. It will tell you. So click on Get Processing Time. You want to scroll down, okay? I'm sharing this video because just a couple weeks ago, we received an email from someone who said that they have a petition on file that's been going on for 3 years. So that's 36 months. And we asked them, like, look, what is the legal status of your spouse? And come to find out, it was this first category, the family preference category. It's not immediate relative. The visa is not immediately available because the spouse is a permanent resident. And it's probably because, they haven't become a citizen. Maybe they divorced from the person who sponsored them originally. And because they divorced before the 5-year period or before the 3-year period, then they didn't have the chance to become a citizen, right? Because if you're going to get sponsored, random tip here, if you're going to get sponsored by a spouse and then you have not applied to become a citizen within 3 years, or at least after the 3-year mark of eligibility with resident status, and then you get divorced, then you have to wait 5 total years with resident status, including conditional resident status. Okay, friends, that's just a quick tip. But going back to this processing time, I wanted to share this with you because people ask, well, when can I submit an inquiry? At the end of the day, inquiry won't do too much, but at least it notifies the government, hey, we haven't forgotten about our case, so I hope you didn't. It shows here on the right column receipt date for case inquiry, and this means that any date, this gets updated usually every month from my understanding, but any receipt date before December 20th, 2018, that means yes, you can file and submit an inquiry. So I'm going to share that next page on USCIS on how to do that. But I also want to just show you this, and so we're on this page. This right here, this line item is for immediate relative, U.S. citizen sponsoring the spouse. That is bonkers. That is wild. 28.5 months to 37 months waiting for that petition to be approved. Whereas if you go to like Nebraska Service Center or Potomac Service Center, it is much faster. I believe I checked earlier, it showed 4 to 6 months. Okay, scrolling down here at 4 to 7 months for the same category. It's ridiculous. Why is one service center, quote unquote, better than the other, right? So anyways, just want to go on my little rant about that. It's a luck of the draw, by the way, because service center is not depending on where you live in the country. It's randomly assigned. So anyway, go back to tools on how to submit inquiry. Click on USCIS tools and resources. So let's say you had a receipt notice before that cutoff date that I just shared with you. click on e-request. Then you want to click on this left side, case outside normal processing time, okay? So you click on that. You'll need a receipt number like I mentioned before, your date of birth, your own name. You need to know it. Yes, I know. Your address. Also want to add in your email. And I show you that first step of entering in your receipt number because you need to copy and paste the last action taken on your case. Copy and paste it in there. Who filled out the form, yourself as an applicant or petitioner or your lawyer? Obviously, you're not going to write for your lawyer if you have one. But this is a normal step that we do for our clients. We have an automated system to where we say, hey, 6 months in, 12 months in, what's going on with the case? We're going to figure it out. We're going to submit an inquiry. But unfortunately, these days, even starting with President Trump administration, they extended the processing time. So it really prevents us from submitting inquiry in the first place. Because if you call in, they're going to give you the runaround. And that's a waste of time for everyone, unfortunately. By the way, friends, if you are new to the channel, welcome to the show. Appreciate it. Welcome to Green Card Guys TV. Subscribe down below. Go ahead and smash the like button. Give us some love. If you're on Instagram, please give us the hearts. Click the hearts for us. We do offer free 15-minute preliminary discussion. Point you in the right direction. See if we can help you out there. Of course, there's no obligation to hire us for anything. This is just to point you in the right direction. But to access those free 15 minutes, we do ask you to provide us the secret code. So we're going to share that with you in a second. And here it is, friends. It's on the bottom left of your screen. Green Card Guys, you could have guessed it. All right, so that's just a token of appreciation for you following our channel and sharing our channel. Of course, please share our channel with your friends. If they, of course, have any immigration-specific concerns or questions, please share our channel. We greatly appreciate it. We just get a gamut of a lot of questions. So we're going to start creating videos based on those questions. So please comment down below if you have a question and you'd like us to create a video about it. It could be like a quick answer. We're going to probably do it as a YouTube Shorts or an Instagram Reel, just so you can get the answer much quickly, not like a full show like this, okay? But by the way, we do have a live show every Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time. So if you want to ask your question on there as well, you're welcome to do that. And we look forward to meeting you on every Friday. So otherwise, the best way to contact us is up here, call or text. We're also on WhatsApp. If you're not driving, because people contact us when they're driving, please be safe, by the way. But if you're not driving and you're in the comfort of your home or where you live, please click the form down below, greencardguys.com/contact us. And we do have a form with a couple questions, and our cares team will call you, hopefully with the same business day. Okay? Thank you so much. And until next time, friends, please continue wearing your mask.